Right, another episode of the Beer Necessities, and this time I've come to West Yorkshire, to a lovely little village called Saltaire. Now, you may think that Yorkshire is all greyhounds and flat caps,